This is a little bit more about the preterite and imperfect. We're looking at the verb haber, there was or there were. You use this word a lot in the present tense, you probably just didn't know it. Hay, the word I, there is or there are, comes from the verb haber. So here we're looking at it in the preterite and the imperfect. In class, we took these notes on the back of our flip book, but if you'd rather write them in your notebook, that is fine too. So first, let's look at había. We know it's the imperfect because of the ending. This is the form that is actually regular in haber. It means there was, there were. Hubo, in the preterite, also means there was, there were. But just like all the other past tense verbs, we have to decide would I use imperfect or would I use preterite. So if I want to use había, I have to be describing a situation. So just like the imperfect often sets up the background with a description, había in the imperfect is the same way. Hubo in the preterite, an event took place. So an event starts and it stops, just like we know about the preterite already. Here's some examples down here. With había, the imperfect, había mucho humo. There was a lot of smoke. Don't know where the smoke came from, don't know when it started, when it stopped. It's just describing maybe the room. But on the other hand, you could say hubo un incendio. There was a fire. A fire is an event. So I wrote those two sentences similar so you could see what is a description, what's an event. So when you come across the verb haber, think, is it describing or is it an event? And then choose hubo and había.